Hey guys, it's Mike down at the RV Depot Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. And look what I got for you today. A 2017 Tiffin Allegro 450 tag axle 4-slide motorhome. This beauty's only got about 30,000 miles on it, give or take. Don't hold me up in court on that one, but I'm close. So come on around, I want to show you some things this has starting out. Notice the graphics and the paintwork on this. Isn't this beautiful? This is a beautiful coach. Remember, it's a Tiffin Allegro. Outside, your outdoor TV area does have a sound bar in place on it as well. Beautiful awning coming out over you. So in the evening, sitting out having your beverage of choice, watching a movie, you got it all right here in this Tiffin. Come on back down here. I'm going to show you one thing that's really great on this coach. Your undercarriage slide compartments, okay? Now, this cargo compartment has something really special in it. It has a Dometic freezer in it. This is a great feature to have. The best part is this comes out on a slide tray. You also have storage slide trays on here. I'm not going to pull this one out, but I want you to see it. Look at there. Slide tray underneath, and it opens on either side of the coach. Plenty of cargo, plenty of storage. Like I've always said to you guys, you can never have enough storage in an RV. This one might just be the one that I say, yes, you can. House batteries right here, all the components, easy access, easy to use, easy access. Coming around, got your big tow system, your hookup for your car, electrical hookup, everything's right. Easy access to the motor. When you're coming in, you want to see the rear. Okay, easy back into this block. Notice I'm not struggling to open anything. Again, 4-slide coach. 2 front, 2 rear. So you have opposing slides up front. Michelin tires all the way around on this. Good tires. Work your way around the same graphic design, very pretty, very elegant, very easy to look at. Stuff on the side to look at. Here's another access of the slide tray. That ladder is for your access up onto the roof. Kinsey, this is a slide out tray, no problem. Camera system. This coach has the 360 view camera on top. It has backup camera and it has side camera, so there's no blind spots when you're driving this beauty. As big as it is, you want to be able to see where you're going and what's around you, and Tiffin provides it. One more cargo bay to look in. This is all your electrical, everything. This is the brains of this coach. Trust me, it isn't me. It's right here. These are your brains. So having said all that, you guys, diesel fuel access points, there's one on either side. Your DEF system for this is in the rear of the coach, but your diesel's up front. Okay? So we're going to take a break. We're going to go inside and take a look at this one. So come on with me. Even your dog's going to love this. They got their own window to the world right here. Come on in. Let's check this out. So guys, now that we're on the inside of this Allegro bus, I want to let you know, if you've seen any of my videos in the past, I love motorhomes. This is one of my favorite things that we get. This is, to me, the definition of elegance. Tiffin is one of the great motorhome makers, and they have really succeeded in this one. And so look at it. For a 2017, look at the condition and the shape of this coach. Everything's laid out. Look at the wood trim. Look how nice and clean the furniture is. It's not torn up. It's in very good condition. You have your theater seating on this side. You have a couch system over here. You have the telestrator TV over here that raises up. You also have the big over-the-road TV up here, okay? Your captain's chairs. And I want you to see, look at the space. You know, I don't know how large you would call this, but it's called opposing slides. Look at these beautiful floors. Look at how they're laid out, that wood grain look floor. This coach also has aqua hot, continuous hot water. It's just a beautiful, beautiful, well-rounded, very elegant coach. Solid surface countertop, and then look at this, an induction cooktop stove, which is great, convection microwave, Beautiful double sink in this one. It's laid out very nicely. Beautiful, beautiful sink, beautiful sink. Everything's laid out. Good filtration system in this coach. Just everything is just so nice. Residential refrigerator that does have the ice maker and water. It's just wonderful. Right here, you guys, I'm going to add, you have your half bath right here. Beautiful half bath coming in. Notice everything. Look at the trim work on these. I want y'all to see this. See how, look how they do these. Beautiful pantry, spice rack, all your canned goods. You have room, you have storage in this coach. Up above, look at this. Look at this elegant layout. This is like being at the Waldorf Astoria on wheels, you guys. You just can't go wrong in this. So come on back. Let's look in the back. We'll make one quick stop here. You can control a lot of your options here. Like I unlocked all the cargo doors from right here. I didn't even have to go outside. Push the button. Boom. Everything. It's a Tiffin, you guys. Everything's easy to use. Reclining bed that does lay flat, of course, in your master salon here. TV above to watch. This is an LG TV as well. Ceiling fan. Look at it. Plenty of height and headroom in here. Just a beautiful, beautiful laid out coach. Look at this beautiful door that comes with this. Isn't this pretty? Everything is just well laid out. Even your dirty clothes. Got a hamper for that in here. So come on back into this master bathroom. This is a bathroom, you guys. Check this out. Dual vanities. Now remember, we're in a motorhome. We're not in your master suite at home. You're in your motorhome. Beautiful cabinetry, beautiful layout. Everything's nice. Look at this beautiful, elegant shower that comes in. Nice bench to sit down in, the tile backsplash, your soap caddy, the rain tree shower. This is a beautiful shower. And a guy like me, I'm a big man. On a good day, 6'2", give or take, this is a comfortable shower for me to use. A walk-in closet. You have storage over here. Your vanity, for your cosmetics, whatever you want to put, your clothes, places to put your iron, hanging clothes, and then stack unit washer and dryer in-house right here, right in your closet. So everything is good on this. Safe in the back. You do have a safe right here. It is a digital safe. Of course, this door does close, so you can close this off for privacy. Everything is just right on in this coach. Come on, let's get up out of here. It's just a well laid out. Oh, did I forget something? I did. I forgot your dishwasher. Shame on me. How could it be a Tiffin without a dishwasher? Guys, come on down to the RV Depot Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. This coach is available today. It is a 2017 Tiffin Allegro 450. It is a tag axle. Has about 30 to 35,000 miles. I don't remember off the top of my head. I'll put it up on our website. Write us, call us, send us a smoke signal. We Facebook, Twitter, you name it, we'll find you. But we're here for you today.